Hi everyone, I'm Investor Josh. Welcome back to the channel. Every single day here I upload a new video with what I consider are the best cryptos and best stocks to invest in today. If you haven't already, please scroll down and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell, scroll across, hit all for notifications, and you'll see me uploading a new video every single day. I've been investing in stocks very successfully for the past 13 years and have also invested in cryptocurrency. I first bought Bitcoin back in 2013 and since then have ventured out into the altcoin markets, swing trading a lot of altcoins, and while still staying invested in some Bitcoin, some of the big top 10 coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and so forth. I have bags of those stashed away and I trade other coins. So what I want to talk about today, guys, is something that's absolutely been exploding. It's really gone much higher than I thought it would at this particular time in our bull market within the crypto space. I thought it would explode, but in many months to come, but it's happened much sooner and much faster than I thought it would. And therefore that leaves me very excited to think what potentially the future, as in the rest of this year, could hold in the space. Specifically, I'm talking about a few coins, XRP, or otherwise known as Ripple, and also Litecoin. Now, Litecoin, that chart looks beautiful. I've been studying that for a few days now, and it looks like it's going to break out. Litecoin's also referred to as the digital silver. Okay, Bitcoin's digital gold, Litecoin's digital silver. Now, Litecoin, I've got long positions on Litecoin, and I've got spot positions on Litecoin. Okay, so I think Litecoin will break out in the next few days, if not any moment now, and it's going to push hard and fast. Also, the XRP I spoke to you guys about, Ripple, that's doing amazing things. It's pushing harder and faster than I thought it would at this time in the bull run. I did think it was going to push, but I thought it was going to be in a couple of months' time. This has happened much sooner and much faster than I'd expected. We are looking good. I think it will surpass its all-time high. Off the top of my head is $3.30 if my memory serves me correctly. We're sitting at about $1.40 or something like that today. So I think it will easily surpass the all-time high, and we are going to do great things. I've got, once again, long positions and spot positions on XRP. Some other coins which have been almost dormant for the past few years, along with XRP, we're talking about XLM and also TRX, or otherwise known as Tron. These coins are looking so bullish. The chart of Tron is one of the most bullish candle charts out there. I see excellent things in the near future for the rest of the year with Tron and XLM, XRP, and Litecoin. These coins, traditionally, if you spoke to me a few months ago and said, are you holding XRP? I did hold it for a bit then. It was going up and down, and XLM, I was, it did. Tron, like these, also known as a scam coin. A lot of these coins, a lot of people didn't have any faith in, but when I saw them charts recently, the movement in them, I've been invested in these XLM, Tron, XRP for 2 or 3 weeks now heavily, and I was lightly invested before that, but I can see the movement, I can see the pattern, we can see the charts, the bullish narrative around it. Everyone in the space is talking about them, and people in the space that have the know are talking about them. The mainstream's still not really caught onto it yet, but we will see an explosion. So that's what I'm here trying to relate to you. If you're not already aware, these coins, XRP, Tron, TRX, XLM, Litecoin, I see massive things for these coins in the very near future. Now, there is one thing I want you to be very careful about. We all need to keep a close eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin has a sudden surge, if it moves up $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or more in a day, we need to be very, very careful, because this could make a lot of the altcoins dump hard, okay? So we need to watch that carefully. If Bitcoin starts moving fast, you don't necessarily have to close your altcoin positions, but you do need to watch your altcoin positions very closely, okay? Because they could drop hard and fast. They might not, but in the past, many altcoins have had the tendency to drop hard and fast with the Bitcoin. But for now, while Bitcoin is not making that fast upwards movement, I'm happily investing in altcoins and making some of the biggest daily profits I've ever made in my life. And many of you are too. I've had many close DMs come into me through my Twitter, on YouTube, many people reaching out to me on Twitter and saying thank you for everything you've done. I want to thank you for subscribing and watching daily. It's been it's a pleasure to make these videos for you, and give you a bit of my knowledge, some things I've learned along the years, and just from watching the charts, looking at teams behind projects. We're making big moves here, almost daily pumps of 40, 50, over 100%. And right now, just huge money is being made. If you're not already invested in this stuff, this is potentially one of the opportunities of your lifetime. We don't know if this is going to end next year or later this year or never happen again, or it might get better. Who knows? But all anyone knows right now is no one in the investment space, as far as stocks, cryptos, has ever potentially been able to make the kind of consistent, massive gains as we're currently making right this second. We are making, I saw a person make from $2,000, they longed BTT a few days ago and made over $100,000 on a 20X within 24 hours. 2,000 to 100,000 USD in 24 hours. This is the kind of bull market we're running in right now, okay? So if you're not invested in this market, maybe right now is time to think about investing in this market. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. You need to do your own research and your own due diligence in these projects. I have a free link down below for on eToro. You can get between free for $100 or $50, so $50 to $100. If depending on where you live in the world, you need to deposit between $100 US and $200 US. Only is $200 US if you live here in Australia, and you'll receive free $100 US. In other parts of the world, you deposit 100 and trade with $100 US, and you'll get free either 50 or $100 US, depending on where you live. All the details are down below for that. Also, if you live here in Australia, on coinspot.com.au, if you start up an account there and use my link, you'll get $10 worth of free Bitcoin, so free $10 worth of Bitcoin, and I'll also receive $10 worth of Bitcoin if you use my link. And if you're just investing in stocks and you're living here in Australia and you want to get into the US stock market and have a huge, probably the biggest range of stocks that I know of, stake, I've got a link down below for stake. You get one free stock if you use my link. It'll either be randomly, it'll be Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. You get a free stock there. So the links down below for those three exchanges are all there. Hit them up. Also my Twitter, if you want to interact with me on Twitter, many of you do interact with me on Twitter, and many of you reach out and say thank you. And I'm truly privileged to have you as an audience. It means a lot to me. Thank you for subscribing. To everyone that subscribed over the last, I don't know, 1 to 2 months while I've been doing this. Thank you so much. I want to keep pushing this forward. We're going to have some big momentum. This bull run's just getting started, I feel. I feel like we're not even a quarter of the way through this bull run. And we're in the fourth month this year. I believe this is going to push beyond this year. I believe it's going to push into 2022, this bull run. So we've got a lot of room ahead of us. Make wise investment opportunities, and try not to do anything crazy and lose all your money at once. We're going to have a lot of opportunities ahead. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with a new video. Thanks again.